Hi, it's HardReset, and today I'll show you how to move your ROBOROCK Qrevo Curv 5A1 on the map. So first, we need to go into our application and click Quick Mapping. Okay? And I'll come back to you when it's done mapping. So I'm back, and I guess that's a map, so I'll show it to you better. I guess maybe not necessary, but yeah, okay, I'll do it like that. I have my app right here, so now to remotely control it, just click these three dots in the top right corner and search for remote control. Now you can click buttons to, for example, okay, and here we can spin it and go forward, and we have joystick for the same, but we can slow it, for example. Okay, come back here, and when you leave it,
remote control stopped.
It stops. That's it. Don't forget to leave a like and see you in the next one.